Hi, thanks for visiting Simply Stormwater. My name is James Missiano. I'm the owner of the company. And as it's a beautiful day out today, I really wanted to showcase the two different models. We have the non-treatment model and we have the treatment model. And I wanted to just briefly cover the differences between the two of them and go over why exactly we came up with these models in the first place. So briefly, we have what we call the treatment model here. The treatment model was designed for the stormwater professional, our educators, the engineers, environmental specialists, and scientists, where they can really go into the details of what the stormwater control measure is, what it does, how it functions, and the benefits to it. And then on this side here, we have what we call the non-treatment model. This basically just shows what happens when stormwater, rainwater enters the storm sewer system, and without having a treatment method, how it normally discharges. And as your educators know, when the stormwater enters what we call the MS4, the Municipal Separate Storm Sewer System, it goes and it discharges directly to a stream, a creek, a river, a pond, or even the ocean. So this is the non-treatment model. Both models you can demonstrate with polluted water, which of course is just colored water. And both models are fully functional. As you pour the water, the polluted water, into the MS4, into the storm drain system, it will discharge out the pipes, which I'll demonstrate for in a minute here. And it goes directly into the stream and into a pond. Right from the beginning, I wanted something to show the public what actually happens to stormwater as it enters a storm sewer system. Because over many years, I come to realize that many of them really just don't know. A lot of them believe that stormwater enters the storm sewer system and it goes to a treatment facility. It gets cleaned and it gets filtered. And in some large cities, that is true here within the United States. However, most systems throughout this country and throughout the world, when the water enters a storm sewer, it goes untreated and discharges directly to a water body. So I wanted to educate on only rain down the drain. And what we found was, from many years of doing pollution prevention and outreach, as I would speak to it and show videos and hand out pamphlets, nothing would really register or sink in. So in having a large functional prop, I said, I believe that this is really going to make it so they can retain that message. And after coming up with prototypes, working at many public events, we had more than twice the amount of people visiting our public events because they actually saw a large prop, wanted to come and see what it was, learn about what it was doing, and it really locked in the message of only rain down the drain. And initially the goal was just to have the non-treatment model, just to demonstrate that from a MS4 perspective, that this water does not get treated. But after doing so, we had a lot of people that would constantly come up and say, I'd really like to see something with a stormwater pond, where we can educate on the benefits of having these stormwater control measures, which are commonly known now as SCMs. Previously, for the last 10 years, they've been being called BMPs, Best Management Practices. So we focused on coming up with a model that had a stormwater pond in it that discharged to a creek or a river, where we can speak about the benefits of each.